الله الذي لا إله إلا هو. 99 names of Allah. Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim, Al-Malik, Al-Quddus, As-Salam, Al-Mu'min, Al-Muhaymin, Al-Aziz, Al-Jabbar, Al-Mutakabbir, Al-Khaliq, Al-Bari, Al-Musawwir, Al-Ghaffar, Al-Qahhar, Al-Wahhab, Ar-Razzaq, Al-Fattah, Al-Fattah, Al-Alim, Al-Qabid, Al-Basit, Al-Khafid, Al-Rafi', Al-Mu'izz, Al-Mudhill, Al-Sami', Al-Basir, Al-Hakim, Al-Adil, Al-Latif, Al-Khabir, Al-Halim, Al-Azim, Al-Ghafur, Al-Shakur, Al-Ali, Al-Kabir, Al-Hafiz, Al-Muqim, Al-Hasib, Al-Jalil, Al-Karim, Al-Raqib, Al-Mujib, Al-Wasi. Ya Allah, Jalalu, Jalalu, Ya Allah, Jalalu, Jalalu, Ya Allah, Jalalu, Jalalu, Ya Allah, Jalalu, Jalalu. Al-Hakim, Al-Wadud, Al-Majid, Al-Ba'ith, Al-Shahid, Al-Haqq, Al-Wakil, Al-Qawi, Al-Matin, Al-Wali, Al-Hamid, Al-Muhsin, Al-Mubdi', Al-Mu'id, Al-Muhyi, Al-Mumit, Al-Hayy, Al-Qayyum, Al-Wajid, Al-Majid, Al-Wahid, Al-Ahad, As-Samad, Al-Qadir, Al-Muqtadir, Al-Muqaddim, Al-Mu'akhir, Al-Awwal, Al-Akhir, Al-Zahir, Al-Batin, Al-Wali, Al-Muta'alli, Al-Barr, Al-Tawwab, Al-Muttaqim, Al-Afu, Al-Rauf, Malik, Al-Mulk, Dhul Jalal wal Ikram.